I am Dr. Madhulika Srivastava, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of Chemistry, Bhilai Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Bhilai. In this video, I will discuss about annihilation reactions and substitution reactions without breaking metal ligand bond. It is a very important topic of MSc second semester, Unit 1 of paper first. These are the contents which we will discuss here. Annihilation reactions, mechanism of annihilation reactions, substitution reactions without breaking metal ligand bond, mechanism of substitution reactions without breaking metal ligand bond, and conclusion. First, we will describe here annihilation reactions. Annihilation reactions are those reactions in which water molecule or aqua ligand is replaced from coordination sphere of aqua complex by some anions. For example, CONH35H2O3 positive reacts with anionic ligand X negative is equal to CONH35X 2 positive plus H2O. Here you see that H2O is replaced by anion ligand X negative. Thus, anion reaction is the reverse of acid hydrolysis reaction. Kinetic studies of the reaction shows that these reactions in aqueous solution are bimolecular because the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of the complex and ligand. But this information is not sufficient to prove that these reactions are bimolecular. The same second order kinetics would be observed for a unimolecular process such as CONH35 H2O3 positive loses water molecule to form intermediate compound, that is CONH353 positive. This is first step and slow step. In the second step, intermediate reacts with anionic ligand X minus to form CONH35X2 positive. Since the incoming ligand is anionic in nature and reaction complex is cation, an ion pair may be formed. So it is difficult to say whether the reaction takes place by SN1 or SN2 mechanism. In order to avoid ion pairing problem, an anionic complex, that is COCN5H2O2 negative, can be used. The reaction of COCN5H2O2 negative with anionic ligand proceeds through SN1 mechanism as shown below. The reaction involves two steps. In first step, water molecule is lost and 5 coordinated complex COCN5 2 negative is formed. This step is slow step. In the second step, anionic ligand attacks to 5 coordinated intermediate complex to form product, that is COCN5X3 negative, which has coordination number 6. So in anion reaction, water is replaced by anionic ligand from the reacting complex. Now we will discuss substitution reactions without breaking metal ligand bond. We have already discussed the reactions in which nucleophilic reagent or ligand reacts with reacting complex to form product. Here we discuss the reaction in which ligand exchange takes place without breaking the metal ligand bond, but on the other hand, bonds within the ligand themselves are broken and reformed. For example, formation of an echo complex CONH35H2O3 positive from its carbonate complex CONH35CO3 positive with the evolution of CO2. If this reaction is carried out in presence of H3O positive with labeled oxygen, it is found that no labeled oxygen enters into the coordination sphere of the resulting complex. It means that CO2 is produced by breaking carbon and oxygen bond without breaking cobalt and oxygen bond during the equation reaction. CONH35 CO3 positive plus 2H3O positive, here oxygen is labeled as 18, is equal to CONH35 H2O3 positive plus 2H2O plus CO2. Let us discuss the mechanism of the reaction. It is suggested that this reaction proceeds by proton attack on the oxygen atom bonded to cobalt, followed by the formation of H2O and CO2, and then production of hydroxo complex. The mechanism involves the following three steps. In the first step, proton attacks on the oxygen atom bonded to cobalt atom, and we will get transition state. In the second step, proton attacks is followed by the expulsion of CO2 and H2O. In the third step, protonation of the hydroxo complex takes place and echo complex is formed. Since in this reaction expulsion of CO2 takes place, and thus we can say that decarboxylation reaction rather than the acid hydrolysis reaction. From the above discussion, we can conclude that anion reaction proceeds through SN1 mechanism when reacting complex is anionic in nature and is reverse of acid hydrolysis reaction, and some of the reactions occur without breaking metal ligand bond. Thank you.